Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share few questions related to aptitude test. First question. 5 years ago, the average age of A, B, C and D was 45 years. By including X in the present, their average changes to 49 years. What is the present age of X? Coming to the options, A 40 years, B 45 years, C 49 years and D 48 years. You just pause the video and try to solve the problem. Coming to the solution, 5 years ago the average of A, B, C, D is 45. That means A plus B plus C plus D by 4 equal to 45. So 5 years ago the total age of A, B, C, D equal to 45 into 4, that equal to 180. So at present, that means we have to add 5 to each member. Then the total age at present of A, B, C and D will become 200. And by including X in the present, their average changes to 49. So at present, the average of A, B, C, D and X. So altogether 5 members are present is equal to 49. Here already we know the average of A, B, C and D, that is 200. So 200 plus X is equal to 49 into 5. So that is equal to 245. That implies X equal to 245 minus 200 and that is equal to 45. So the age of X is 45 years. Hence the right option is B and it is 45 years. Coming to the second question. Ramu brought 15 magazines for 30 rupees from shop A and 25 magazines from shop B of 38 rupees. What is the average price for magazine? And the options are A 25, B 30, C 35 and D 33. You just pause the video and try to solve the problem. So coming to the solution, Ramu brought magazines from two shops, shop A and shop B. So from shop A, 15 magazines were brought and the cost of each magazine is 30 rupees. Coming to the shop B, 25 magazines of each 38 rupees were brought. So altogether Ramu brought 40 magazines. So let us calculate the cost of 15 magazines from shop A. So 15 into 30, that is equal to 450. And coming to the shop B, 25 magazines were brought. So 25 into 38 and that is equal to 950. So the total price of magazines is equal to 1400. And here we are supposed to calculate the average price for magazine. So 1400 divided by 40. So that is equal to 35. So the right answer is option C. Coming to the third question, what is the average of all numbers between 100 and 200 which are divisible by 13? And the options are A 143, B 156, C 149.5 and D 143.5. Just to pause the video and try to solve the problem. So coming to the solution, here we have to calculate the average of all numbers between 100 and 200 which are divisible by 13. So simply we have to consider 13 table. So here we have to consider 13 table in which the product should be above 100. That means between 100 and 200. So for example, if we consider 13 sevens, that is equal to 91. And if we consider 13 eights, that is equal to 104. So from here we have to start counting the numbers between 100 and 200 which are divisible by 13. So first number is 104 and we have to add 13. Then you will get 117. Next number will be 130. Next 143. Next 156. Next 169. Next 182. Next 195. So we have to consider between 100 and 200. So we will stop here. So it is just similar to arithmetic progression. So in case of arithmetic progression, we can simply find the average of numbers by considering the middle one. So here how many numbers are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if even numbers are present, we have to find the average between the two numbers. So 1, 2, 3. So these two are the middle numbers. So we have to find the average of these two numbers. Then we will get the average of all numbers which are divisible by 13 between 100 and 200. So 143 plus 156 divided by 2. Hence it is equal to 149.5. Hence the right answer is option C, 149.5. Moving to the fourth question. In a class of 50 students, there are 22 girls who scored an average of 35 marks in the test. What is the average mark of boys if the class average is 42? Coming to the options, A 35, B 47.5, C 42 and D 48. You just pause the video, try to solve the problem. So coming to the solution, here how many students are present? 50 and the class average is 42. So average of 50 student is equal to 42. So the total score of all the 50 students is equal to 42 into 50 and that is equal to 2100. And coming to the score of girls, here 22 girls are present. That means 28 boys are present. So the average of 22 girls, that is x by 22 is equal to 35. And hence the score of 22 girls is equal to 35 into 22. Hence that is equal to 770. So the score of 22 girls is 770. The total score of 50 students is equal to 2100. So on subtracting, we will get 1330. And this is the average of boys, that is 28 boys. So 1330 divided by 28 is equal to 47.5. Hence the right answer is option B, which is equal to 47.5. Finally, I would like to conclude this video by sharing the test question. The average weight of 100 students is 32 kgs. The average weight of first 49 students is 30 kg. And that of last 50 students is 34 kg. What is the weight of 50th student? Coming to the options, A equal to 33, B equal to 25, C equal to 23, D equal to 3. After solving the problem, you just share the answer. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.